Here we have our secret chain Silka bit. We have this set to 200 degrees. We're supposed to do between 150 and 180, but I think there's some translation. It was not melting at all. So we're gonna put this, dip this inside this, and let it agitate for a bit. Turn off the heat, and while it dries, when this starts being icebergy, and we're letting it dry, then we take out the chain and then let the chain dry. And that'll be our wax chain. We have our chain, dipped it in there. We used just a brake wire, mountain bike brake wire, and we probably just have enough to cover this thing. So we're waiting for it to start building some icebergs at the top here. Once we start to see the wax harden, then it's time for us to take it out and let it dry. So yeah. It took about 15 minutes for this to melt at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for the setting on the induction oven. So that was not too bad, and this shouldn't take that long either. It should start to harden around 140 degrees if you have a temperature sensor. That will show you about when it's about ready to dry. But we'll just keep an eye on it, and once it starts to dry, we'll take the brake hose out and take the chain out and then leave it out to dry. Okay, so you can see here, it's starting to harden a bit. I don't know if you can actually see that or not. It's really hard to see with that camera, but you can see a bit of it hardening. So it's probably about time to take it out. You can see some of the wax build up here because it's starting to dry. Taking the chain out. Did not do the best job of this, but I think we'll see the results. This should make your chains last a lot longer. And I guess what some of the Silka reps have said, not sponsored or anything like that, is that you can just create or have two chains and use one for like outside or inside or what have you. And then while that's done, like while you're using it, you can clean and do the maintenance for the other one. So kind of a good idea just to make the chains last longer. Chain should last a very, very long time if you do waxing. So we're going to try to do this. I mean, we have like 500 grams of this, so we'll try to use this. And if other people want their chains waxed, like I think my friend Cal would love to have his chain waxed just because he uses his bike so often. But there we have it, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.